My procedure was simple. The first night, I placed the ball in a spot outside and waited for the next morning to go check the pressure. Picked it up, went to my basement, and I dropped it on my floor and I measured the height. The height was measured by my sister because I was up here and I can't really gauge height from a bird's eye view, so I had my sister do it for me. And then I placed the ball same spot in the garage throughout the day, and then again overnight, I placed it in the same spot with after a day of rain. Placed it in the same spot, waited next morning, dropped the ball again. I repeated this process once more for a third day. Placed the ball spot overnight and measured. My measurements were as follows. The first day, the average temperature overnight was 43 degrees Fahrenheit, and the height after the bounce was 36 inches. And after the second day, which really wasn't the second day because we had a day of rain, and I knew that rain would affect the height of the bounce of the ball. It wouldn't really affect the pressure very much, but I knew it would affect my experiment, so I decided to wait the rain out. So day 2, the average temperature overnight was 51 degrees Fahrenheit, which is an 8-degree change, and the height of the ball changed an inch from 36 to 37, which I was surprised. I don't know how that relates to temperature, but I'm pretty sure that's not temperature relates to pressure, but I'm pretty sure that's a pretty large change in pressure if the bounces a whole inch higher than it had the day before. Not the day, well, it wasn't exactly the day before, but a previous day without rain. And then the third day, it was right after the second day, no more rain. The average temperature overnight was a pretty nice day, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and I dropped the ball. 3 feet 3 inches. I got a 2-inch change in height after a 9-degree change in temperature. So, I mean, the measurements could obviously be off, but I forgot to record the bouncing of the balls because it was early those mornings and I just plain out forgot that I had to do a video doing these demonstrations, but I hope you get the picture. And it was a great year, Mr. Collier. Thank you.